Welcome once again to the YouTube channel for the website SEEWHATSIN.com. We specialize in the nation's finest cargo vans, work truck F-150s, and utility truck Chevys and Fords. We have the highest quality in the nation, and that will be very apparent to you when I show you this new arrival. This is a 2006 Ford E150. It has the 4.6 liter V8. It has approximately 80,000 miles on it. It is in stunning showroom condition, and I cannot wait to show it to you. But before I do, let me tell you how you can put it or any of our beautiful top-notch vehicles in your driveway. It doesn't matter where you are nationwide. In fact, over 98% of our sales on a monthly basis go to people who are not in our local area. That's because what we're selling simply cannot be found in most local marketplaces. We are located in beautiful, sunny Las Vegas, Nevada, just 5 minutes from the airport, and over half of our customers on a monthly basis travel here by airplane to pick up their vehicles. If you do, we will pick you up at the airport, bring you to our facility, sell you a vehicle that will be an excellent investment for your business, and then we will treat you to a stay and buffet on the world-famous Las Vegas Strip. The other way to get one of our vehicles to your front door without moving a muscle would be to have it shipped. And we have a shipping tab on our website that will tell you how you can do exactly that for a nominal fee relative to the service. It's like Amazon, Walmart.com, or eBay nowadays. You can get anything you'd like from anywhere in the nation. All you have to do is be selective about quality, because in the end, all that's going to matter is the vehicle and how well it serves you. Each and every one of the vehicles that we sell are the top 1% of commercial fleet vehicles in the nation. We say no 99% of the time because most commercial vehicles are not worthy of our customers. So we make sure that we focus on growing our already 65 to 70% repeat customer base. The way we do this is by offering an internet website that fully runs the show. 365 days a year, 7 days a week, you can go to our website and see exactly what we have in stock. We keep our inventory page current constantly. Our how to buy page will tell you exactly how to purchase your next vehicle from us. We ask that you initially contact us through the Contact Us tab. Now, if you're a business owner and you'd like to hold on to your working capital, we offer 3 of the nation's most powerful business lenders on our website to get you the commercial loans that you need in order to hold on to your working capital and get the fleet vehicle or fleet vehicles multiple that you need to run your business. They do 100% loans. This is very different from conventional lenders or conventional loans on typical autos. These are for businesses. Another really cool section that I've just added to our finance tab is about section 179 tax write-offs, the deduction you can take for business equipment including vehicles that you utilize more than half of the time throughout a business year. Now that means that you can write off 100% of the purchase price, even if you finance it in the first year that you purchase your vehicle. And that is why so many people rush to buy their commercial fleet vehicles by the end of the year in order to have that tax write-off available to them to write down their income and decrease their tax liability. Now you can use it all in 1 year or spread it out over the years. You're going to want to talk to your tax accountant about it. However, it is a really cool benefit to purchasing commercial vehicles. Now come along with me and let me show you this 2006 Ford E150 in stunning, like new condition. There's not a dent, there's not a ding, there's not a scratch. It has a sliding side door, limo tinted windows, security screens, ready for your logo, sitting on 4 100% tread depth. These are brand new tires that we've had freshly installed. They've been freshly balanced, freshly aligned. The brakes are at least 60% or we do replace them. We know that your experience will determine whether or not we will see you again. So we do everything in our power prior to giving you the vehicle to make sure that you're going to have a top-notch experience. We make sure that the lights function, that the belts and the hoses are good, that there are no weird vibrations or squeals in the engine. The fluids are all checked and the oil is replaced. We go through the suspension very carefully, bushings, ball joints, upper and lower control arms, pitman arms. The exhaust has no rattles or shakes. Everything about the vehicles that we offer functions the way they did when they left the assembly line. If this vehicle was sitting in a Ford showroom, you would not think twice about it. It is that brand new. No scuffing in the door, beautiful entryway, cloth seats without any tears or crushing or holes, no cracks in the dash, no tears in the headliner, ice cold air, hot heat, no odors, never smoked in. It even smells like new. We're highly selective, and we believe you should be too. The alternative to buying a vehicle from us is going out and totally gambling on something that you'll probably have to put a significant amount of mechanical parts and labor into to get them on their feet. And then you still have to equip them. Most of our vehicles come equipped. This vehicle is like a cargo hauler. You can get bins installed if you'd like. We have a source for that. If you let us know what you need, you can get ladder racks, anything you need. Beautiful sliding side door, one-hand operation. I like the sliding side doors because they really do not take much space to open up completely. You have a beautiful entryway with diamond steel kick plate, custom cut, commercial grade, non-slip rubber cargo mat, a full factory insulation package with E-tracks so that you can affix or tie down your goods. It has security screens on the back doors as well as the side door, and an LED light for a higher level of visibility in the back. It also has a bulkhead partition, and like I said, any bins you might need, let us know. We can get you hooked up with that. These insulation packages really do protect the interior walls, and that's why you see no outies or innies. It's fully logo ready. LIMO tinted windows in the back. Just another look into the perfection that is this cargo hauler setup van. All of the doors seal up perfectly. The driver's side is just as clean as the passenger side, a continuation of the brand new tires. Driver's door, the most utilized area of any vehicle, is still in superb condition. It opens and closes very nicely. No scuffing on the door from careless entry. No tearing in the seats or crushing in the seat. Beautiful. This does have the 4.6 liter V8. Now this is an engine that's been in service since 1997. That's over 20 years of service. They are very inexpensive to keep in service. They're highly durable, very powerful, and they will offer you a true performance. Just revving it up so you can hear the engine. Pop it into reverse. Goes right into reverse. Neutral and drive. Put it into drive. Ice cold air. Excellent under the hood condition. We put up a high definition video of each and every one of the vehicles that we sell. We offer 60 high definition pictures on our website, accurate descriptions, and a how to buy tab that will connect the dots as to how you can get one of these to your front door. It couldn't be any simpler than this. Go to the site, add it to your favorites. It's a must-have for business owners. Like this video and subscribe to this channel so you can see what we get when we get new inventory in. I really appreciate you watching today, and I hope I get to sell you your next commercial vehicle. Thank you for watching.